Okay, so the first step that you have to do as an ethical hacker when we talk about hacking the people themselves is collecting and gathering a lot of information about our target victims. And our targets now is not a machines. They actually are some people. So what exactly is the type of the information that you have to collect about any victim during our training course? So the first thing is, of course, all of the social media accounts, all of the email addresses, all of the phone numbers, and also all of the friends list, and at the end, all of the interested websites. And during our training course, sorry, we will actually learn how to make use of all of this information. For example, after after discovering the social media accounts, so you can actually communicate with this person and send the phishing URL by using the social media chat channels, or after discovering the email address of this person, so you can send a phishing email address. And we will learn all of these methods together in the next videos. And also, if you have found the phone number of this victim, so you can actually send a spoofing SMS message and trick this person to compromise and hack their accounts. Also, if you discovered the friends list of this person, you can impersonate some of these friends and communicate with this person by convincing your victim that you are one of his friends, and for example, you are in a terrible or in a problem, and you need help very very fast. And also, if you found out this person is interested in a specific types of websites, so you can clone these websites and send to this person that his account has been compromised at this website. So he will interact fastly with this email address and will be tricked, and at the end he will hack and compromise his or her account. So let's get started. So to accomplish something like this, we will need some of the information gathering tools that will help us to gather all of this information about a specific person. And one of the best information gathering tools when we talk, especially when we talk about people, is Maltego. The Maltego is one of the best information gathering softwares in the world till now, and it's actually provided for all of the operating systems like the Windows, the Linux, and also the Mac. So right now, if you search for at Google for the Maltego software, you will see it in the first link. So you have actually the freedom to install it for any platforms that you have. Because I am running a Windows machine right here, so I have downloaded the Windows machine version, and I have already search it for the application. So this is the application after the installation right here, and when I open the application, it actually appears for me like this. Okay, so it will actually open a new graph for me, and as you can see right here, this is the entity plate that you can search for anything. So right now I don't actually want to gather information about a specific IP address or a specific website or even a file. So right now I am focusing on gathering information about a human, about a specific person. So I will select this, drag and drop this entity, and the next step right here is the name of this person. So I'm going to use this name because it's a public example actually at the internet, so there is no any something harmful that can happen to this person. And after that, I will right click this entity. And as you can see, this is all of the information that we can collect about this person name. So we can check all of the email addresses associated with this specific name on the internet, any locations, any IP addresses, any domains, any, for example, any phone number, of course, any hyperlinks, any websites, anything. Okay, so how to perform actually and to use all of these tools and all of these modules at the same time. So we'll just get back and run and click right here to run all of these transforms, and at the end, actually, after these transforms will be executed successfully, it will actually back to us with all of this information, of course, if it available on the internet. So I will click right here on run all, run, and as you can see, the running process is started right here, and this is the progress bar. Okay, so at the end of the process, right here, so this is the information actually has been collected to this person. Okay, so this person actually has a profile on the following websites, has a profile on Medium website, has a profile on GitHub website, on Twitter. So this is his username at Medium website.com. LinkedIn account, and the other some websites. So of course you can actually get all of these profiles, and in the future try to communicate with this person by using all of the hacking methods that we are going to learn together during our training course. So it's just one of the examples that I wanted actually to show you how to gather some information about a specific person, because of course you will not without this information you will not be able to communicate with this person at all, or send any malicious hyperlink to this person.